Okay, everybody that has a problem with their washing machine being off balanced, you don't need new rods. It comes from the factory with damping grease on it. Damping grease it's very sticky. It's the opposite of regular grease. Let me show you what it is. This is all you need to do to fix your problem. Everybody's trying all kind of different stuff. They're putting lithium grease on it, any kind of other grease. This is the opposite of normal grease, people. This is sticky, 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 sticky. I don't know why nobody has not noticed that when they get new rods, they're sticky. You get sticky all over your fingers. Nobody notices that? It's this. It's this. Called damping grease. That is all you need. You can get it off of Amazon for like $25 and you'll never have to buy another tube. You can hand this down to your children or whatever. Damping grease.